Okay. Configuration, the backend configuration, starting with enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company, and we have already made one. This is the mother company, Portsmouth Automotive Parts, and it will be having its own currency in GBP. So it's in Great Britain. Company code, edit company code data, position, PAP 1 and 9. Okay, we have PAP 9. This is for Dubai. This is company is operating in Dubai. And if we go into further detail, then double click and we have Dubai country AE currency AED languages English. Okay, next comes in next comes in financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, fields, assign company code to field status variance. PAP, for PAP 9, we have PAP 9. We've already made this. What is field status variance? We'll see this later on. Okay, fiscal year and posting periods. This is next. Assign company code to a fiscal year variant. PAP, PAP 9, K4, which is the postings will happen from January till December. So the year will start from January and end in December with 4 special periods for adjustment entries. Okay, next is posting period variance. PAP 9, we have a variant PAP 9. And what do we have in PAP 9? We'll see that. Open and close posting periods. Okay, PAP 9, continue. And we have periods open for entries, journal entries in finance, material entries from MM. Every module can enter its quantum and entries through these months of 2024, and we have special periods for adjustments at the year end. Okay. Next comes the ledger part. This is important part. Define settings. Come on. Okay, 0L is the leading ledger. Let's check the company code settings. Okay, we have 3 currencies, 10, which is company code currency and legal valuation. 1 is the company code currency and 0 is legal valuation. Global currency is group currency and legal valuation. Y1, this is basically currency type for another currency reporting, and we can see that from here. Y1, we can add more currencies, 8 more currencies to this ledger. Okay. At 9, we have group currency USD and Y1 reporting currency in GBP. Okay, this is already done. And let's go back. Okay, next is what is next? Yeah, next is I just forgot. Got carried away. Enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. No. Next is financial accounting, ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, operations, uh, chart of accounts, app, chart of accounts, double click, and we have the details. Sign complete code to chart of accounts, PAP, and we have PAP 9 chart of accounts for PAP 9. Account group for the same chart of accounts. And we have a series of count categories that we have defined. And this will be used for defining geo accounts. Define retained earnings account, 9. And we have a retained earnings account as well. Next comes the definition part again, controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain. Nine, double click. Okay, currency type is 30. At controlling area level, the currency is USD. At company code level, it will be AED. Okay. Exchange rate type will be N. Source currency will be 10. This is company code currency. Fiscal year variant is K4. It's already made. Enter. Okay. And save. Okay, enter. Next is OKKP. This is the transaction for assigning company codes to the controlling area, PAP9. Double click, and over here we have cost center hierarchy also mentioned. We have activated these components, cost centers, orders, project sales orders, and cost objects. Now, cost objects are cost centers, and cost production orders, those are also your cost objects. And we have this company code assigned to controlling area. So this is will be in AED and this will be in USD. So conversion will happen. And for the conversion, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and controlling, general controlling, and organization, maintain. We've already done this, maintain controlling area, maintain versions. I guess this will be a new area to cover. Zero plan actual version, we'll discuss this later, but right now we'll just do the settings. Okay, now it says LAP9, but our controlling area is PAP9. OKKS is the T code to change it, PAP9. So we go back again, SPRO, reference IMG, then controlling, organization area, maintain versions. Zero controlling area settings, PAP9 settings for each fiscal year, integrated planning. Double click, and exchanger type is P for cost planning, integrated planning, orders and projects. Save. Yes. Now these are some default settings that we'll run through. Scheduled, execute, and it's done. N SPRO, profit center accounting, basic settings, controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings. We have standard hierarchy PAP9, group currency USD, and we have a dummy profit center already made. Activate direct postings, control parameters for actual data. Okay, line items, online transfer, this is also done. Fair enough. And master data, profit center, standard hierarchy, and we have two plants, P101, 103, 102. Okay, and dummy is already made. So now you can actually move ahead to FS00, which is GL account master data. And we can actually access it through accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing centrally, and change in PAP9. So we already have accounts made for various expenses. Okay. And for 100, 500 is salary account. Let's go and check if we have any documents already entered in GL accounts environment, not environment, information system, general ledger reports. Line items. Okay, chart of accounts is PAP 9. Execute. Enter a key date 01.01.2020. Okay, we've already entered GL account documents 45,000 and we have 27,000 and 18,000. Okay, and this is what we have. Another is FBL 3N, PAP 9. All items execute. Okay, we have document number is selected, more the total. Okay, now this is the summary. 27 and 18,000 is in debit for against 45,000 cash account. And that's what we have entered so far. Okay, so let's stop here. This is what we have actually accomplished.